Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, your CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions, VETRI meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, SOFAR, Sonifar and Bombits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and work on all conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end. At the end, we give the option expiry levels, also support and resistance, and also encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you will get the notification. So today is February 22, 2023. So Bank Nifty closed 1.67% at 39,995 and Nifty closed at 17,554.30. Yesterday, those who have seen I am feeling better now. Yeah, last 2 days, 4-5 days, I was not well. I was suffering from cough, cold, wheezing, and other things. Taking steroids, slightly better. So next 3-4 days, I'll be fully all right. So yesterday's video, what did we say? We said very clearly, another red candle slightly above the middle band Nifty has closed, but it is a indication for a big fall. That's what we said, right? Even in our PNG file that we put, we have put that, right? Decisively, that is what had happened. Market opened a gap down. So the market fall was also duly supported by global markets fall. So we clearly told about global markets. Also, if one who would have seen my Saturday's video will know that we said that next week it is going to fall. So what had happened in the global markets, I'll touch upon briefly. I'll not go in detail. So now Dow, Nasdaq and S&P all are below the previous month's close. Nasdaq and S&P in particular, the current month high, that is February high, was higher than January high, but the current close is lower than the previous close. And also it is below the 10 exponential moving average. That signifies that it is on a dangerous territory. Also, if you would have seen in my global markets video, I said that Nasdaq is precariously positioned just below the 50-week moving average. Just it took support. So it broke that yesterday. So now we have to see how the next, we have another 3 days and 2 days in this week and 2 days next week, 5 days, how it is going to form. So that will set the tone for the month of March. Coming back to India, taking cue from that, it opened a gap down. Otherwise, it would not have opened a gap down, but would have fallen significantly. That fall was imminent, but the gap down was enabled by US markets fall. So, as you can see, banking stocks are in a terrific weak wicket. How? When I analyze all the banking components, Bank Nifty and also Nifty for that matter, Bank Nifty is 5%, 4 to 5% below the 2022 close. Nifty is around 3% below, 2 to 3% below previous year's close, 2022 close, I mean calendar year close. And all the banking components is below the 2022 close. And not only that, the superstars of 2022 from banking, SBI, IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank, and what is the other bank? IndusInd Bank and Federal Bank. All these banks, other than ICICI, all fell more than 10%. ICICI around 5 to 6% fall, and HDFC Bank is now around 1% fall. So you can see the kind of fall that it has seen. Where is this support coming from? Also, ICICI Bank is now slightly below the 200-day moving average, while Kotak Mahindra, Axis, SBI is well below the 200-day moving average. Federal Bank, in spite of such a big fall, still above the 200-day moving average. So the banking as a pack is overall in a weak wicket. If one would have seen my video in January itself, December, January, we said that 2023 Indian markets will not go up for the technical reason when I analyze the annual charts. That is how the structure is. So with that structure, so now HDFC Bank, HDFC, everything fell significantly, which is why we saw such a big fall in Bank Nifty components. Of course, HDFC is not part of banking component, but it is part of the Fin Nifty and overall Nifty. So the main components of Nifty, if you have to see, HDFC Twins and Reliance all fell. Obviously, market has to fall, supported by IT stocks. On the financials, Okay, on the individual components, AU, Access, Bandhan, Federal, IndusInd Bank, SBI fell 1%. HDFC, ICICI, IDFC, Kotak, yes, fell 2%. Financials, Chola, LIC Housing Finance, Manappuram, Muthoot fell 1%. Bajaj Twins, HDFC, IDFC fell 2%. So if you recollect Bajaj Finance, what did we say? We were saying that Bajaj Finance, the dream run, the short-term dream run is going to be over. That is over. That is punctured. So Chola is the only one that was there. That also next month you can expect fall in Chola. So be cautious. Insurance and cards, HDFC Life, ICICI Pru Life and SBI Life fell 1% while others remained flat. Oil and telecom, Bharti 1% down, Reliance 2% down. So you can see like HDFC down, Reliance down, HDFC Bank down 2%. Obviously, Nifty has to fall, right? In the IT, Apple, Birlasoft, HCL, HCL Tech, Infi, Intellect, LTIM, LTTS, Techcam, TCS, Wipro, all fell 1%. So, if with such a fall, obviously, we had said that, right? In the IT is looking weak, but don't expect big fall in IT. People were expecting big fall in IT today because Nasdaq fell 2%. No, that didn't happen. That will not happen. It will happen next month. So hence, like, be cautious, but stay away from IT stocks for time being. Let things settle down. Always you can enter. Okay, there is always a tomorrow in stock market. On the consumer goods, Asian Paints, Berger, DMart, HUL, Nestle, Page, Pidilite, Titan all fell 1%. PVR and AB 2% down. ABFRL 5% down. So if you see up to consumer goods, none of the individual component stocks closed in the positive. So which reflects the poor performance of Nifty and also Bank Nifty. On the automobiles, Bharat Ford, Eicher Motors, Escars, Hero Motors, TVS fell 1%. M&M and Tata Motors 2% down. Ashok Leyland 1% down, 3% down. Bajaj, Maruti, Motors and remained flat. So here I am telling one stock, please, technically it is looking for turnaround. If that happens, it will be a good, solid, it will give you a very good return in the short term period, which is Maruti. So Maruti, in spite of all these things, it closed in a positive way. Though its closure was slightly below yesterday's close, but the texture was good because it hammered down all the shorts and closed, which is a good sign. And Maruti is something which you can observe. Health and Pharma, Apollo and Thyrocare fell 1%, Lalpath fell 2%, while all others remained flat. Metals, I missed, sorry. Metals, Coal India, National Aluminium 1% down, Tata Steel, Vedanta 2% down, Jindal and JSW, NMDC and SAIL 3% down. If you recollect, I have always been telling about metal stocks. Right from December onwards, we are telling about metal stocks, Jindal in particular. So in the others category, 1% down, L&T, Aries, Havels, India Mart, Indigo, Jubilant Food, Polycab and UPL. 2% down, Delta Corp, DLF, Nika, Ultratech. Godrej Properties, IRCTC 3% down, Zomato 4% down, Adani Ports 6% down, Adani Enterprise 10% down. See, people come and say, oh, problem solved and all those things. See, I'm sorry to state that people don't know technical analysis. Technically, when someone looks at the chart, it is poised for a big fall. In fact, Adani we have been telling from December, January onwards, because in the yearly chart, it has to fall. That is how the structure is. But this fall was fastened by the Hindenburg report. Otherwise, this year would have been a fall of Adani technically. So, because all things will happen together only. Technically, it has to fall. There will be some event come, which will drive down the market. That's how it is. Technically, it is weak, which is why to my viewers, I have been requesting them to stay away from Adani stock. Reason, I am not going into whether it is a good stock or a bad stock. All I am saying is that when there is uncertainty, please stay away. Simple. If you are a small investor, if you are a trader, and if you are not well managing your risk, God only can save. That's all I can say. For a change, the only one stock in the entire this one that went, probably at least 70-80 stocks we cover, is IEX, which jumped up by 1%. So with all these things, so what do we expect for Bank Nifty, Nifty expiry? Please, I would request people to note down the support and resistance level that we have been giving from Monday. Every week, from beginning Monday we give. So we are slightly lowering the upper, that is the, resistance, but support we are maintaining the same. Resistance for Bank Nifty, we are saying that 42,167. What is this level? Bollinger Daily upper band. That will act as a resistance for tomorrow. Tomorrow is closing. So that will definitely act as a resistance. On the support side, we feel that 39,103 will act as support. See, Bank Nifty today it closed 39,959. 39,756 is something which Bank Nifty should not break and close below by February 28. If that happens, God only can save Bank Nifty for the next 2 months. So why? Because it is a 10-month exponential moving average is there. So anyway, that is a slightly longer period. So for tomorrow, 200-day moving average should hold 39,103. If that is broken down, then 38,733 50-day week moving average is there to support. If these two are broken, God only can save. Then Nifty 18,079 on the resistance. Why that level? It is again that Bollinger Daily upper band. So that will act as a very powerful resistance. On the lower level, 17,354.10. This is nothing but we have been repeatedly telling. It is a 2021 calendar year close. And if that is broken down, 17,336, which is 200-day moving average. If that is broken down, 17,289. So these are the three levels. I don't think tomorrow it will go to that level. But if some unforeseen event happens overnight, and if market opens gap down significantly and something extremely negative happens, anything can happen. Hence, play. If you are a trader, play safe. Thank you very much.